Sujay, and this video is about the one-page navigator element that we're shipping with iMedica theme. So, what is one page? A very popular concept which will help you create one-page website with cool effects like this. User clicks on navigation, some sort of links, which takes him to that particular part of the website. So this way user won't have to navigate through different pages of the site, but browse through just the single page where he can see all the details. So let's see how this is created. I'm going to the backend of the WordPress. First of all, this is a plugin that we are shipping with iMedica theme, one page navigator, that's currently installed and activated. This is the plugin that is currently installed. What does this plugin do? When you go and create a new page, go to Visual Composer, add element, add row. So what does one page navigator plugin do is add some setting to the row settings right here, row ID and top gutter. So let's see if we disable the plugin, what difference does it make? So plugin is deactivated. Let's see if we still have those settings. Those settings are gone. So the only thing in the row section one page navigator plugin do is adds to field which help you create one page sites using your Visual Composer roles. Very simple. So let me explain how this page is created. Let's go to the back end of this page and see what does it consist. This page simply has seven different rows, and the eighth one is what this part is made of. So let's start with the first 7 rows. The row simply has a spacer, heading, and again spacer, which makes this part spacer, heading, and spacer. And when you edit the row, simply through the background tab, we have given some color, and then we have provided some row ID and added some gutter 90. So what is this row ID and what is this gutter? Basically, what one page navigation needs is a unique ID for each row that helps page to navigate to that part. So if we want to navigate to another part, let's say I navigate to this 5 part, I could navigate over here because this row had some ID which I linked right from here, so I could navigate over here. And let me go and navigate here. Please notice I will go to the 1 because I have given a row ID 1 over here and I have linked this ID from my navigation section, so I have navigated over here. What is this gutter? I have a sticky menu whose height is about 90 pixels. So I want to keep a space of 90 pixels when I scroll down from the top. So please notice this, my row stops over here. It doesn't go to the top. So that's why I have added the gutter of 90 pixels. If I had removed this 90 pixels, or if I had no value in this 90 pixel gutter, let's see what happens. I'm simply removing this top gutter. Let me refresh the page. 3. Now notice that the row goes till the top part of the browser. Earlier it was going over here, so simply it was leaving a space of 90 pixels. Let's check out once again. Right now it went till the top, and if I add that particular 90 pixel spacing, it will leave that value, leave that much spacing. So yeah, there you go. The next part One Page Navigator adds is this particular cool section, which helps you create a bar, navigation bar like this. This is really cool. You can see it highlights the particular area where I'm at. It is totally customizable. It stays fixed on the page so user can navigate very easily in case you don't like this fixed navigation. So let me show you how you can add that. It is simple. You add an element, and in element you will find one page navigator. This is basically a container. It has settings like the opacity, background color, icon hover color. This is very customizable, very customizable. All the options are very obvious that you can easily figure out. The tooltip that you see here, it's customizable. The navigation opacity, the opacity of this bar, icon color, icon hover color, icon size, the padding, and all that. It's very customizable. So that's how you create a parent block. This is the parent block that I had just added, and within this parent block I can add these icons and the links. So I'm adding a child icon or child item. I can give the title. Let's say I give it a title as I can choose the icon and I can choose a link. So I'm on this page. I can link a page directly, or I can simply link it with the ID. So remember we had given a particular ID to the row 1. So if I link it this way, it will link to that particular row, and that is it. That's how it works. So instead of creating a new navigator, I'll go ahead and show you how the existing ones look like.